What's up, guys? I'm Henry from Santa Clarita Auto Sound, and today I'm going to show you how to update the software on your Pioneer radio. So the Pioneer, we have the DMH-WT7600NEX today, but this will also work with all of the new NEX wireless models. So let me show you how to do it. So we have this USB stick that we downloaded the file from the computer. So we use the original USB port, which is here. So all we do is plug it in here, just like that. And then for the settings, we go to settings, and this gear icon there, scroll down all the way until it says system information. And we'll go system update, and we can update it through the USB. So there's another way to update it, is with the car AV assist. So you have to have your phone connected to the car AV assist app with the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth, and you can download it from there. That way you don't need a USB, but I prefer the USB method. For me, it's a little quicker. So we press USB and continue, and right now what it's doing is it's reading the USB, making sure the file is there. So this will be the Pioneer 3.0 update. It does a lot of features, so if you do have the Pioneer NEX models, the wireless ones, I would recommend updating it. It works much better than the if you don't have the update. So there's a lot of bugs that they fix with it. So it only takes a couple minutes. It doesn't take that long. So it's still scanning it, and then once it scans it, we just press update, and I'll go ahead and update it. So this will work with the models, the Pioneer DMH-WT7600NEX. Also, this is the DMH-WT7600NEX. It also works with the modular radios, which is the DMH-WC7600NEX and the Pioneer DMH-WC5700NEX, and also the regular 7-inch double-din radios, which is the Pioneer DMH-W4660NEX and the DMH-W4660NEX. So this will work with all the models. So it's just very simple. You plug it in and read the USB, and once it reads, you just press the start button. So which is cool. I'm just gonna wait until show you how long it actually takes to update it. So this vehicle is a 2018 Toyota 4Runner, so it looks really nice in this. So if you guys are thinking about upgrading your radio, these radios are really cool. They fit in a lot of different cars, and it gives you that big infotainment screen option. So it already read it. Now what we do is just press the start button, and once we press the start button, it gives you a percentage that it's updating. So once it updates, it will start rebooting itself, and it goes ahead and pretty much it's all set. So this improves the Apple CarPlay functionality, the wireless Apple CarPlay functionality, as well as the wireless Android Auto functionality. So it literally takes a couple minutes to fully update it, and it's much worth it. So it's almost there. We're located in Santa Clarita. It's northern LA County, Southern California. So if you guys are in the area and want to upgrade your radio, we can definitely help you out there. If you have any other questions, you could always call, and we can help you out with that too. So it's all done. It updated. So right now it'll reset, will reboot, and you can go ahead and take out the USB at this point. And then we can check to see if the update is current. So if you want to double check to make sure the update went through, it says update succeeded. So we just check the settings. So go to settings, the gear icon here. Scroll all the way down to the system information and firmware information, and right there it's the 3.0 setting. I'll zoom in closer so you guys can see. So if you guys have any other questions, you can always give us a call or come by, and we can definitely help you out with your car audio needs.